Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a fall room tour. However, I'm just going to be showing you guys all the things that I have set out for the fall/Halloween time. So yeah, let's just get started. First, we have my door sign that says Harvest, Give Thanks, Falling Leaves, Autumn Gatherings, Happy Fall Y'all, and Pumpkin Patch. And then if you move your way over here to the closet, we have 4 acorns. Brown, red, orange, and yellow. They're just like the little foam ones that you stick on the wall. And then next we have this little cute scarecrow girl. She's adorable. I just hung her on my closet as well. And then over here we have some orange lights that I hung up. And if you want to see what they look like, let me just plop that on. They look like this, very festive. Love that. So next we have my pumpkin that chills over here, just like this random pumpkin. Let me turn the lights back on so y'all can see. Okay, so yeah, just a little pumpkin over here. And then lastly, we have my festive dresser, as well as this random spider web up here. So up here we have the spider web, and then we have Happy Harvest, this cute sign. This is like a random heart thing. And then right here we have a pumpkin pie candle. And then we have my white pumpkin right here. And then I decorated my dresser itself with leaves and then sparkly leaves, so do a little overview of that. Oops, ignore this necklace right here. That's not supposed to be there, but yeah. And then right here we have another sparkly leaf. We have my little jar full of candy corn, 3 PocketBacs, and then another one of those little things, but it's a pumpkin inside of it. The PocketBacs are sweet cinnamon pumpkin, pumpkin cupcake, and pumpkin donut, I believe. But yeah, they're just chilling in there. And then we have my 2 little spiders. These are the kind that if you push them down, they go flying everywhere. So I have a pink one and then a purple one. And then we have this guy right here. It's just a teddy bear in a bee costume, I believe. And then he's chilling in this little Halloween pumpkin, what you call that? A box, I don't know. Yeah, and then over here we just have my Count Dracula from Hotel Transylvania. Spider web up there, and yeah, that's my entire little setup. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!